Welcome, class, to the lecture on the topic Bliss by Catherine Mansfield. Catherine Mansfield, a modernist writer of 20th century English literary genres, she was born in Wellington on 14th October 1888 as Kathleen Mansfield Beauchamp to her Australian parents. She had a tough life, struggling, battling with her home, with her personal life. What is important is the conventional themes of Mansfield's story. The theme of love and relationships, at times the development of the relationship, or on the attitude of the society towards women, and vice versa. Catherine Mansfield had the individual perception of certain characters, predominantly in relation to the particular relationship. At times, it seemed that there were autobiographical features which were being highlighted and analyzed that supported potential evidences. The bliss, as the story goes, is about relationships. It presents a series of events concerning a dinner party. The story is presented through the perception of Bertha Young, who has a loving husband and everything a woman could possibly want. Bertha considers herself to be happy because she must be happy since she has everything one could wish. However, she does not desire her husband until she starts to feel attracted to another woman, Pearl Fulton, who is also invited to the dinner party. The story questions the sexuality of the protagonist as the evening progresses. Bertha finds out that her husband, who seemed to dislike Pearl, is actually having an affair with her. Throughout the story, there are several hints which might indicate that Bertha knew about the affair and chose to ignore the truth and decided to live in a state of bliss. However, from a different perspective, she could be seen as a naive wife believing in her husband. Well, Catherine Mansfield presents the darker views of life. Her comments on the relationship's sexual ambiguity gives a new open up to the thinking processes of mind. Now, Catherine Mansfield also tries to show different varying thoughts going through the constant changes of the society. Mansfield's stories tries to pursue the dreaminess of life, explores the varied nuances of life, obsessions, attitudinal behavior, desire, and all those emotional conflicts. The story here, Bliss, is uplifted from the themes of dreamy atmospheres and projects the reality of life through symbols and motifs. Now, symbol and motifs are some of the important tools that Mansfield uses in storytelling processes. The narrativity and the narrative organization of the story is a delightful affair itself of the technicality of the story. The ending of Bliss opens up many a thoughts. Though there are shadows and darknesses of life which creates a negative feeling in contrast to the underlying positivity of the life. Yet, the perception of life, the nothingness of life, makes the story intriguing and explores different level of realistic behavior that the story chooses to offer.